Hey YouTube, I got an unboxing for you today of my new wireless Bluetooth keyboard. I got it from my iPod because I didn't need, but I wanted one. I picked this up from Amazon, 20 bucks. Had to get it, and I was like, I've been looking for one. It's one of those foldable ones. It's a great keyboard. I love it. And yeah, let's just get into it. I'm going to be using my Kershaw Scamp. I have a review for this on my channel. I believe I have an unboxing and review of this on my channel. Want to check this out? It's really nice. I actually got it from Amazon too. But yeah, that's a different story. Alright, let's get into it. I'm very excited about this. I've actually ordered this last Sunday. And the day I'm actually uploading this is actually on Thursday. So it's not that bad. I didn't get any special shipping or anything. It is Prime. I do have a Prime. Wish I didn't have to pay for shipping because it was a Prime object. But yeah, it's a different story. Alright. Here's the slip. It's talking about my my order and everything. Doesn't have any of my address or anything on it, which is cool. Actually, I believe I took that and put that on the box with it. But yeah, here's if I can focus that in. Oh, right there it says 20 bucks, $19.99. Yeah, and it's just telling about what I got. That's that. Packaging stuff. And name product right here. This is oh, I didn't even know it was. It's waterproof actually. Waterproof Bluetooth mini flexible keyboard. Alright, yeah, let's get into it. Alright, here's the keyboard itself. I'm going to use my laptop just to give you a little bit more of a black background. Well, it's actually my laptop in my case. Yeah. Just comparing it with my hand. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, in the box we got a little, in the slot right here, we got a little Bluetooth receiver. You plug this into your computer if your computer isn't Bluetooth. Oh, I shouldn't have dropped that. Oh, my bad. You plug this in your computer, and you get your computer will have Bluetooth. Even if your computer does not have Bluetooth, that's for. You got the charging cable, which is retractable. It's really nice. It's a charging cable to charge this keyboard up, and the main thing, the keyboard, and you got manual telling you about all the stuff and everything, and you also got a disc. It's a Bluetooth keyboard driver. I guess it's for iPhone, Android, Symbian, and Windows Mobile. Yeah, I guess it's just for the computer, I guess. Yeah, we don't need any of that. We don't need this either. And not this either. Well, I do, but not you guys. Alright, and I'm actually going to use my iPod Touch today to compare it up. Oh, I got something from Facebook. But yeah, I'm going to use my iPod today. My iPod Touch, this is normally what I usually record my videos for, but I had to use this, so I had to use this for the demonstration so I pulled up my other camera what I normally upload my videos for. Alright, but let's get into this. Well, here, let me show you first what's on the actual thing itself. You got a normal standard keys and everything. You got pretty much all your keys you have normally on a keyboard. It's got a connect button here. On the left here it has it says charging here. Sorry, my camera isn't focusing. And this on the right it says battery low, and this is where it charges up whatever. It's silicone, it's wireless, it's Bluetooth wireless and everything. And then this says it only has one button, well, mainly to connect it up. You just push this right here and it'll connect right to it. It says Bluetooth right there. On the top right here in the corner, you got two things here. Right here is the switch. You flick it on. You'll see that little red thing will turn right on, saying it's ready to connect. Let's turn that up right now. And right next to it right there is the charge it up. But yeah, alright, let's get into it. Turn it on. Push this down, put this down just right here, just like that. Get my iPod again. I'll go to settings. I'll go to Bluetooth. Slide that on. Now, like I said, it's on right now. Now all I have to do is push the button. Push the button. See, like right now, search devices. I'll push the button. I'll push the button right now. And now it's on my keyboard. Tap that. It's pairing up. And it says enter the code 6576 on Bluetooth wireless keyboard, followed by a return or enter key. So push those numbers. I'll push 6576. Watch this. Enter. And there you go. We're connected. Alright, to show you it works, go to notes. That's just some of my notes or whatever. And tap on the keyboard. See, watch. Oh, you can't see it from there. Yeah, on the keyboard. See? I have no fingers on the key. Put spaces in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's all there's pretty much to it. To connect the keyboard and everything, it's very simple. And I would definitely recommend anybody to get one of these. I actually got this for Prime off of Amazon app for anybody who doesn't have one over. But yeah, I got it from Amazon, real cheap, $20. Well, to me it's cheap. And yeah, I suggest you go pick one up if you want one for your iPhone or Android phone or anything. This actually is my iPod. This actually is my iPod, but I hacked it and now it's a phone. So I use that as an actual phone for free. So it's not that you guys really care or anything. But main thing is just about this keyboard. It is a flexible keyboard. It rolls up, real nice and easy. Folds out. It's a great keyboard. I love it. I'm gonna definitely use it like crazy. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and hit that like button. Definitely hit that like button. I would definitely appreciate it. And yeah, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Alright, thank you.